Hello guys, hopefully you are fine. I got a new mining website where you can get any 12 type of cryptocurrencies without wasting any time. You will get these cryptocurrencies after every 10 seconds. Now I am going to show you a website where you have to just need to deposit your faucet pay email address. How you can get your faucet pay email address? You just need to go to your faucet pay account and click here. You will see, click on it and you have to see your account setting. Then you will see here your faucet pay email address. You just need to copy this link and copy your email and paste here and click on login. When you reach here, you have to do nothing. You just need to go to faucet, right click on it. You can see here you can get BNB, Digibyte, Dogecoin, BCH, Dashcoin, Ethereum or Fura, Litecoin, Solera, TRX or USDT, Zcash and Bitcoin. Every type of cryptocurrency you can get here after every 10 seconds. You just need to click on every cryptocurrency you want to get on this website. I want to get Litecoin. I click on it. I will provide you everything on this website. You just need to click this anti-boot links, elephant, cat and tiger. You can see here elephant. Just need to click on elephant, cat and tiger. You just need to fill up this captcha. You can see I already read that elephant, cat and tiger. I successfully click my anti-boots. Now I am going to fill up this captcha. Click on it. You click on claim now. You will get, I will get what I will show you here. You just need to one type, fill up this captcha and click on unlock. You just need to go to TRX and you will see here you can get 45,000 TRX Toshi after every 10 seconds. I just need to fill up this captcha. 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8. Click on it and we have to click on it. 10 and 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Click on it and fill up this captcha. Click on claim now. You can see here I got 45,882 TRX has been sent to your faucet pay account. I am going to click on OK. Now I will show you proof either I have got this TRX or not. Now I am going to my dashboard. Click on overview. They have to take some time because internet speed is very low. Here you will see that I am successfully got 55 Litecoin and 47,882 TRX from this website. You can see everything. I prove it. I prove it through get Tron live proof. You just need to log in your website and I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on it and you will reach here and claim your TRX without wasting any time, without doing nothing, without deposit. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, then give me thumb button and provide me your valuable comments in the comment section. I will provide you more video. If you want more video in future, you have to subscribe my channel if you want more video in future.